Today we're dropping Claude AI and Gemini into a 5-round coding battle. But with a twist, no installs, no config, no copy-paste into VS Code. Just pure prompts. Let's see which AI code's cooler and cleaner right out of the box. Get ready, because round 1 is gonna spin your head literally. Alright, prompt 1, create a rotating 3D cube using only React plus CSS. Winner of round 1, I'm giving it to Claude for clean execution, check mark. Next up, prompt 2, build a glowing digital clock with real-time updates. Alright, challenge 3. Make a ball bounce using only HTML and CSS. Prompt 4 is about front-end flair. Build a profile card for an AI model. Claude's is way more balanced and usable. Final boss loading in. Okay, chill bro, skull emoji, it's crazy impressive, but low-key too much. Claude wins this for balance. Function over FX. If you love this head-to-head AI showdown, drop a like, hit that red button. More battles, hacks, and faceless AI power every week here on Hacknetic AI. Peace out, Tech Fam Computer.